the box in this expression. So we map numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. And we use the knowns to get the unknown. Meaning that looking at the left-hand side, the numerator is known, and the right-hand side, the numerator is also known. So we are going to get a multiplier. That's the first thing. Multiplier. What will be our multiplier? This is the initial. We have the initial in this side, and these are the final results. So in that case, we are going to multiply to get our multiplier rather. So 6a squared bc squared. Divide by what? The final divided by what? Initial. This is numerator, this is another numerator, equivalent. So divided by 2c. So what do we have? 2 here 1, 2 here is what? We have 3. So here 6c here 1, c in c squared, what do we have? We have c. So it means that we have a, that is 3a squared bc. That is the multiplier. 3a squared bc is the multiplier. So it means that if you use 3a squared bc to multiply 2c, you will have 6a squared bc squared. So in this case, let's get the result for the denominator. So it means that box, the right box at the denominator is going to be what? We are going to have AB times what we have here, times 3a squared BC. Now, we have 3. Let's bring 3 to the front. Then, a squared times a. We have what? A cube. Now, b times b, what do we have? We have b squared. Then we have c. So the answer is what? 3a cubed b squared c. That is the expression inside the empty box. Thank you.